Hello, welcome to this part. So, in this part, we'll show about the retrieval. So, first, I will show you the application running as we'll build by the end of this part. So, I have kept the UVCon running. You can see with this command. Now, we are all familiar with. So, UVCon is running, waiting for application startup. And then I have also kept the um, developer PowerShell with the quadrant running as a container. And I have cleared the earlier collection as I was testing rag chunks collection. Now I've also um, run the application. You can see it's already running and the application looks like this as I bring the browser to this part of the monitor for recording. Now here I have uploaded this document, rag pipeline test document. Okay, so after having um, selected this rag document, I have I have clicked the process document, which has extracted the chunks, which has extracted the text out of the PDF document and generated the text chunks. So there are two chunks generated and the embedding results generated successfully, total embeddings, vector dimension, and then vector storage completed. And till this part we are familiar with. In part 6 we have already built. Now let us ask a question. So ask a question, what does this document say about embeddings and number of chunks to retrieve? There are up to 10 chunks you can retrieve. Okay, so let me settle at 5 because that is the default number. Anyway, search relevant chunks. So top k retrieved chunks, k is 5 actually. So this has to say about embeddings. So in these uh, chunked passages, you will find your answer. So it has got something here, the second stage is embedding generation. Each text chunk is sent to an embedding model. So something about embedding model or your question you'll get in an answer with these chunk index. All right, so this is the part we are going to complete. Top k means k could be any number. Okay, here it is, k refers to say number of chunks to retrieve is 5.